Welcome to Module 7 of MFA 608. This is building a business model. Even if you have no interest in creating your own business for writing, you will be working with businesses, and so it's important how you understand their business model as you interact with them. Looking at the learning objectives, please review these listed as you understand what we're going to be doing for this module. For the module overview, please note, frankly, not every writer is good at all different types of editing. You have demonstrated that in this course. Some of you enjoy the small minutia of line editing, while others cannot stand it. It is okay. Play on your strengths. The module at a glance reviews what we will be doing. We will be reviewing that next. For your readings and resources, here is the list. One I would like to highlight is the editorial rates. When you click on that link, it brings up a web page that is very enlightening to what is an estimated charge for the different types of fees that are charged in the editorial world. The first thing you're going to do is there will be an additional lesson posted in the announcement sections that relates to the concepts that we are learning in this class. The first graded activity is one that is called Helping Others. For this assignment, you will be answering 3 questions on 3 different scenarios. So for one scenario, you will read it and respond with 3 questions. So a total of 9 questions will be answered. Please review what the different clients are asking and consider how would you respond to each of these requests? How do you charge for these projects? How do you market yourself for each of these clients? Respond these questions to each one of these situations. (7-3) is one of the bigger assignments for this whole semester, and I strongly encourage you to work on it sooner rather than later. For this one, you are going to develop a career plan. Here is the best way to approach this based on my experience. Your end-up goal is to write a 2 to 3 page paper, double-spaced in MLA formatting. The way that I would approach this is I would start with an introductory paragraph, and then there are 7 points that you need to discuss in your paper. You will note that these 7 questions listed on the assignment correlate directly with the elements that are on the rubric. The best approach from an academic way of writing a paper is to have an introduction and then use the first point as your topic sentence. Give an answer followed with an example. Then use this as the topic sentence for your next paragraph. Give an answer followed up with an example, and then do that for the rest of these, and then you would end the paper with a concluding paragraph. You should easily reach 2 to 3 pages by answering these questions. This assignment will be used as part of your final assignment in Module 9. So make sure that you spend the time and effort needed on this. It'll save you time later. And finally, the class resources. Remember that you need to link articles, tools, and relevant books in discussion 1-3, which is found under the course menu, discussions, and you scroll to the bottom. Thank you for your time.